Om Namah Shivaya, Om Udishka Namah. Hey everyone, here is Pondan Roy from class 12C Commerce, Middlegram, Durgapur. Today I am here with a physical education video where I will talk about planning in sports. Planning plays a vital role in every field of life. Physical education and sports plays a significant role in the holistic development of an individual. So now, what is meaning of planning? Planning is the process of putting thoughts together and organizing activities required to achieve a desired goal. Planning comprises the process of setting goals, developing strategies, and outstanding tasks and schedules to accomplish the goal. So now let's start with this next topic, that is objectives of planning. So number 1, to reduce unnecessary pressure of immediacy. So what is that? Reducing unnecessary pressure of immediacy is an important objective of planning. If the organizer prepare a good plan beforehand, there will not be any unnecessary pressure. Perfect planning will naturally negative unnecessary pressure. Number 2, to maintain a good control over all the activities. Planning and control are connected with each other. If tournament or competitions are organized with a perfect plan, good control over all the activities related to the tournament will be easier. Planning helps in holding a good control in organizing a tournament. So now start with the third point, that is to facilitate proper coordination. This objective of planning is related to facilitate proper coordination among the various members of committee which are formed for organizing the competition smoothly. Without proper coordination among the officials of the tournament, it will not be easy to conduct or organize a sport tournament. A proper planning helps in ensuring proper coordination. Now number 4, to reduce the chances of mistakes. To reduce the chances of mistakes is also a significant objective of planning. A proper plan reduces the chances of mistakes and oversight. Although mistakes and oversight is any field cannot be avoided completely, but they can be reduced up to some extent through proper planning. A number of mistakes is organized an event will not leave a good impression on the participants. Number 5, to increase efficiency. To increase the efficiency of sport official is conducted, sport event competition is one of the main objectives of planning. With the help of proper planning, the sports officials become more efficient. They perform their duties efficiently and effectively. It is one of the important aims of planning to increase the capability and efficiency of officials. Number 6, to ensure creativity. Number 6, that is to enhance creativity. To enhance creativity is another significant objective of planning. As a matter of fact, a proper planning increases creativity among officials, coaches, or physical education teachers. In fact, planning helps in innovative, creative, and thinking among sports officials because many new ideas are brought to the table by officials when they make a plan. Number 7, and the final point, that is to enhance sport performance. One of the significant objectives of planning is to enhance the sports performance of athletes or players. Without proper planning, it is impossible to improve the performance of sports person. So that's all for today. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya. Have a nice day.